Hey everyone, Austin from Integrail here. Welcome back to another episode in our journey to build increasingly powerful AI agents. We've covered some exciting ground so far, so let's quickly recap our progress. We started out by creating our foundational agent, Better Than ChatGPT, giving us basic conversational AI. Then we supercharged it with a search node, allowing our agent to access and process real-time information from the web. We've tested the benchmarking tool, added image generation capabilities, given it text-to-speech capabilities, and last video we went over some advanced prompting techniques on how to effectively set up our agents. Today, we're taking a significant leap forward. We're going to unlock the true power of agentic AI workflows by showing you how to link agents together within Integrail's AI Studio. This means that we can create specialized agents and connect them to work collaboratively, building even more sophisticated and capable AI systems. So let's jump right in. As per usual, we're going to start from our home screen and open up your Better Than ChatGPT agent. You should recognize all the nodes that we've built so far in this workflow. So now we want to imagine that we want to add a dedicated podcast node to our agent. Instead of making our Brain of My Agent node do everything, we can create a separate specialized agent just for summarizing the content and formatting it as a podcast, and then link it into our existing workflow. Let's assume you've already created this separate agent called Podcast Agent. Now, this agent follows all of our already taught steps and is designed specifically to take text as input and output a concise summary in the style of a short podcast. So to link our podcast agent to our Better Than ChatGPT agent, we need to add a new node. Click the plus button on the top left corner and search for My Agents, and go ahead and add that to your canvas. Now in the My Agents node settings, from the drop-down menu, choose Your Podcast Agent. And of course, now would be a good time to save your work. Next, we need to connect this podcast agent into our workflow. We simply connect the output of our Brain of My Agent node to the input of the new podcast agent node. And from there, we replace the original connection between the Brain of My Agent to the voice node with this new podcast node to voice node. Okay, let's test it out. In the agent input node, let's ask something like, what is quantum computing? Because let's be honest, a lot of people want to know what that is. And time for the moment of truth. Let's run the agent. And there you have it. You can now see that we have a written response, a relevant Google search, a correlating image, and now a short podcast summarizing all that information. So you've just learned how to link agents in AI Studio, creating more modular and powerful AI workflows. By breaking down complex tasks into specialized agents and linking them together, you can build truly sophisticated AI systems this way. And this concludes our series on building your Better Than ChatGPT agent. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI development tips and tutorials. See you in future videos.